we're just going to take the fork as it was unpacked and put the fork head accessory on. Okay, go ahead. Turn the forks forward. Next, take off the top cap of the headset. Go ahead. Okay. Just loop on your head accessory like that. Can you move your finger away so I can see? Okay, that's how it goes. You can see the logo is right side up, and it was really simple. We just looped it on there like that. Okay, next. Okay, screw it down with the top cap of your headset. Okay, next. Remove the nuts on your Springer fork. Go ahead and do that. Okay, and go ahead and do this side first. And just pay attention. We just put the bent Springer fork top portion on the inside. Goes right in there like that. Okay, and go ahead and put the nut in. Alright, next. Now put on the that straight bar so it looks like this. Looks like that. Okay, now go ahead and put the nut back on. Okay, and go ahead and tighten that a little bit with your tool that came, your wrench. Your wheel wrench can also be used for this part. Okay, and next is the other side. So go ahead and remove the nut, the fork nut. Okay, and slip it up into the fork crown like that. Put the screw through. Put your straight bar on. Okay, and just stop for 1 second. Let me just show that the straight bar has two ends to it. You want the longer end. This part is longer on the downside, and the shorter portion on the top connecting to the fork crown. Okay, go ahead and put that last nut on. Okay, and tighten it up. Okay, so let's just take a quick look what we've got here. Now the fork is on. It was backwards for packing, but we flipped it around and we put on the fork crown with the nuts that hold it all together. Take a quick look. Okay, and next we're going to put on the front wheel and fender.